Those boys probably work for a lot.
Popping smoke.
He was in the little, whatchamacallit. Who doesn't have skills? You make fun of him not having skills, you know, huh? But... Never mind.
Good job, team. Get ready for the next round.
How the... That scared me. But... I think he was one guy with a 9.
Cheater.
Search and defend the objective.
Be online.
Knock it down!
No, I should have killed like 2 freaking people, but we're getting raped.
This guy is not gonna be so...
Fuck! Yeah, that guy got me too. I'll laugh if he smile at you and my barrel stuff. Other friend. Ah, maggot.
Time's almost up.
Oh, stupid Romero is fun.
You're gonna jump down, do a 360, shoot, miss. Fire, will totally miss.
We lost that round, but it's not over yet. You get ready for the next one.
Yep, my USP, because this guy knows.
Search and destroy. Defend the objective.
Friendly Harriers inbound.
Get ready for the next round. Half time. Search and destroy. Destroy the objective.
Well, not the way
Right,
down.
We got the bomb. UAV online. Enemy care.
Oh, dude, you're really
An enemy UAV.
Oh, I'm
Good job, team. Get ready for the next round.
yeah,
Reloading.
Search and destroy. Destroy the objective.
Bomb acquired. Counter UAV is up. Bomb has been planted.
Target down.
I think I got you.
Reloading.
Mission accomplished. Good work.